Hey boys and girls, this is your spelling paper today. I don't remember what I called it on Google Classroom, but this is your spelling paper for today in phonics page. And so this just kind of goes over that spelling rule that we talked about with our spelling words from yesterday, is that when a word ends in LE, the consonant before it plus the letters LE usually form the last syllable. This is also true for consonant EL and consonant plus AL. So here we can see our sample words of table is equal to ta-bull. When I split it up into syllables, my next one is cam-ol. For camel, we would say camel. Oh, excuse you, baby Benton. And the last one would be metal, so we would say metal. So you're going to read each word below, circle the letter that shows the word correctly divided into syllables. The first one is done for you. So number 1, we have the word able. And when I split the word able up into syllables, I would say able. And I can see here that my syllable is split at the A, and then my second syllable is the consonant LE. So that's what this is saying up here. Let's use a different color. It's consonant plus LE, consonant plus EL, or consonant plus AL. Goodness, baby Benton. Okay, so you have 4 of those to do. Remember, they did the first one for you. Our second word is eagle. Third word is global. Fourth word is travel. Hey, and boys and girls, throughout the school year, we've been learning about prefixes and suffixes. So here we're going to review some of our suffixes that we've learned. A suffix is a word part added to the end of a base word to make a new word. The suffix able means able to. The suffix us means full of. And the suffix y means having the quality of. It says, match each word in the box to the correct meaning below. Write the word on the line. The first one is done for you. So number 1, able to be washed. So that keyword gives us, or our keyword there is able, so I know it's going to end in able. So something that is able to be washed would be, whoops, washable. Okay, so your job is to find the word that means full of poison, the word means having the quality of fun, and the word that means able to be liked. Go ahead and do this worksheet now on Google Classroom.